Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please, I want you to take your time and watch this video to the end because it worth your data. In this video, we are going to expose the greatest fraud about the Southeast insecurity. The greatest fraud about the Southeast insecurity. Time without number on this platform, I have been able to establish some facts that majority of the insecurity challenges happening in the Southeast has nothing to do with Biafra agitation, neither IPOB nor ESN nor any other factional group agitators. I said that the people who are carrying out insecurity challenges in the Southeast, they are intruders. They are people who are not from the Southeast extractions, and majority of them are being sponsored by politicians as revealed by Hope Uzodinma and Exoti, Rochas Okocha, and the rest of them. They have verified what I said before. Now, if the military or the police caught all these armed robbers, kidnappers, people who are killing people in the Southeast before, they are quick to tag them IPOB terrorists or Biafra agitator terrorists or ESN terrorists and so on and so forth, without mentioning their names. Hear me and hear me well. Just follow me. Time without number. I take my time to follow everything that is going on. I don't just read news. I take cognizance to everything in the news. So, before then, when they were trying to blackmail Nnamdi Kanu, I call it blackmail. What they do is that if they catch anybody, they send Nnamdi Kanu group. That is what they use in the news report then. They put Nnamdi Kanu group. They are just doing all those things to blackmail me. Then after Nnamdi Kanu, they started putting like Biafra IPOB terrorists. They were all just trying to use it maybe to stop Simon Ekpa, to stop any other body. I'm coming, just stay with me. Now, time without number then, I have challenged some news media that why don't you put the names of people that they caught? If they just see, they say IPOB terrorists without putting their names. Now, there is something that happened today, and it has exposed the whole fraud that has been going on. There is crisis now in the police and the military, force in the Southeast now, because this is where the crisis is coming from. Before, they have not been putting names of people who are terrorizing in the Southeast. Now, they publish the names of people they caught today, and it is going to open your eyes. I want you to share this video. Listen to me. Now, Shara Reporter has published this news after I received a call and I was briefed about what happened. Shara Reporters published that Nigerian police arrest dismissed soldier. Take this statement. 7 others in Enugu for robbery, fraud. No longer IPOB terrorists. They arrested them for robbery and for fraud. Just stay with me. Now, the article reads that the Enugu State Police Command on Saturday, that is today, announced the arrest of a dismissed soldier, one Sadiq Ahmed, number 1, and an interstate criminal syndicate which specialize in armed robbery and financial fraud. Mark the word, an interstate syndicate. That is, the man has been terrorizing from state to state. He's not an Igbo man. He's not from the Southeast. Stay with me. Now, the command spokesperson, DSP Daniel Ndukwe, who disclosed this in a statement on Saturday, that is today, said the arrest was achieved through coordinated operations involving the Emene Division, Crack and Octopus Tactical Squad, alongside the Neighborhood Watch Group. So, it was the vigilante group that helped the police. The army not did this one. No. The vigilante group now helped the police to catch these people. And that was why the identity was revealed. Now, Ndukwe said that the collaboration of the units led to the arrest of the 8 suspects, all males, and the recovery of firearms, ammunition, cash, and other stolen items. The names of the suspects, according to the statement, are, this is where it started getting messy. Now, this is their name. Let me reveal it to you. Don't forget that if it is before, as they catch them with gun and everything, they will look for Biafra cloth to put it inside so that they will write it IPOB terrorist. I am coming, okay? So that you will know that all those things they were doing, they were just doing it to blackmail people who are agitating for Biafra. They are not doing it because they don't know the real people who are terrorizing the Southeast. Now, these are their names. Number 1 there is Ishmaila Issa, age 23. Sadiq Ahmed, a dismissed soldier, age 28. Abbas Osman, age 23. Mubarak Garba, age 24. Abubakar Haruna, age 23. Abubakar Sani, age 32. Are these people IPOB members? There are so many things you will never understand about Nigeria. There are so many things you can never understand about Nigeria. But if we come to tell you this is what it is, a lot of people find it difficult to believe us. Because we understand the plans, we understand every move. This is, government can do everything to blackmail you. And the other day, Peter Mba said he has evidence that Simon Ekpa is the one terrorizing the Enugu state. The question here, all these names are Northerners. I stand to be corrected. Maybe other people that bear such name are still in the middle belt and so on and so forth. But have you ever seen Igbo name that I mentioned right now? No. Are they IPOB? No. Now, the question I want you to ask yourself is this. Why is it that they have never mentioned the name of people they are catching before? The people they are apprehending before? They will just say IPOB terrorists. What will happen if not the vigilante that collaborated with police? What will happen if it is the soldiers that call these people? They will just say IPOB terrorists. But you know what pains me most? The Southeast governors, the Southeast politicians, they fail to realize that this is what it is. They fail to realize that this is what it is. But we know. Yes, we know. You can't deceive us more than this. Now, let me continue with the article, okay? After the article, I'm going to, expose a lot of things to you. The items recovered include 2 locally made pistols loaded with a live and expanded cartridge and a cash sum of 300,450 naira were recovered. Others are 10 laptops, land documents. Oh God, land documents. Where the Northerners see land document in Igbo land? 10 mobile phones, assorted jewelries and watches, 1 MP3 players, 1 headphone, 4 power banks, 2 sinkers, footwear and bags. According to the statement, the operation leading to arrest commenced on November 12, 2024. The operation when they were looking for how to arrest these people started in November 12. And that time they were telling you that it was IPOB that was terrorizing everywhere, right? Around 3:30 a.m. when the operative from the MNA division, supported by Neighborhood Watch members, responded to a distress call regarding an armed robbery at an estate in Emene. During the operation, Ismaila Issa was apprehended with the locally made pistol, 300,450 naira and some stolen items. While others escaped, Ismaila was later transferred to the crack tactical squad for further investigation. So, apprehending these people now is a product of investigation. And that is why I used to tell people, if you want to understand what is going on, don't use military to front anything, because the military don't know how to investigate. Look at what happened in my state, Delta State, Okocha community, how they kill everybody, carry their king. People are still dying in military detention. The soldiers, they don't know people who came to kill their soldiers. But the intelligence that came from the press revealed that it was people that were doing bunker, that the soldiers were not allowing to steal or here. Something like that. But soldiers can't do investigation. That is why anytime the soldiers they will deliberately just target IPOB. Now it says, the confessional statement and subsequent discreet investigation led to the arrest of Sadiq Ahmed, Abbas Osman, Mubarak Garba, Abubakar Haruna, and Abubakar Sani at their hideout in Gariki, Akwanawa. I don't know. Akona no. Something like that. Enugu. People from Enugu, I think you will understand this place and call it better. Another locally made pistol and additional stolen items were recovered. So, Ndukwe further stated that operatives from the Octopus Tactical Squad, utilizing an intelligence report, subsequently arrested Obiri, Chukwebuka, and Bright Omeniru in Owerri, Imo State. These are another 2 people arrested in Imo State, Owerri. Now, according to him, during the interrogation, they admitted to using phone using phones stolen by the syndicate to fraudulently withdraw funds from the victim's bank account to SIM cards from different networks were also recovered. Investigation revealed that the suspect confessed to committing multiple armed robberies within Enugu metropolis and using victims' mobile phone SIM card to also commit act of fraud. They further confessed to moving and sending the stolen proceeds in Imo and other states. Sadiq Ahmed, the dismissed soldier, admitted to exploiting this background as a former security agent to bypass checkpoints during the interstate shipment of the stolen items. So he's a former military officer. Anytime they see something, they come to checkpoints, they will bypass. And a lot of checkpoints in the southeast. Why do you not think that crimes are happening amidst checkpoints? These are the proofs. Meanwhile, Shara reporters could not independently ascertain whether the police claims were actually what transpired, as the accused were not present to the media for interaction. Ndukwe, however, said that the suspects will be arraigned in court upon the conclusion of the investigation. And this is the end of the article from Shara reporters. Dear Igbo, there is something I just want to say that is not much. When you are about to shoot your enemy and you target another person who is not your enemy, so no matter how many people you kill, your enemy will still be existing. If you people said that it is Biafra agitators or these people that are the one who are terrorizing, remember what Ohanize said when Nnamdi Kanu was abducted or kidnapped from Kenya? They said, oh, everything is about to end. It doesn't. And a lot of people were thinking that, oh, maybe Simon Ekpa is the one pushing everything. Anyway, you all know that Simon Ekpa is in detention, right? So all these names coming out, why is it that people they are holding before, they are not calling their names? Use your brain now. People they have been holding before, they are not calling their names, because it will be something unintelligent for military to say that they caught IPOB members sent by Simon Ekpa and their names are Sadiq Omar. This one, they say, how come Simon Ekpa using the Northerners? It will not, the idea will not go well. So the falsehood will not go well. So that is why what they are now doing is that they are hiding their names before. So no matter what you do, they can't reveal their names. And this is what I've been telling you on this platform. So my videos they are product of investigation. I don't just come out to do videos. So any news I see, I will digest it. Understand? Okay, go and verify everything I'm saying. Check whether you will see any name since 3 years or 2 years back. You will not see any name that they are arrested in the Southeast as criminals. You only see IPOB members. Now they are tired. And they are asking questions. I thought Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, Simon Ekpa is in detention. So who are these people now? And the military are not the one that did this. The local community collaborated with the police and catch them, and they revealed their names. So there is now crisis. There is a great crisis because it shows that people that have been terrorizing the Southeast before are not the IPOB or the Biafrans as they portray to the media. You know, Nigerian media lack investigative journalism, and a lot of them, including Chinese television, Vanguard, all of them, once they bring out news, pew. Who told you that what police report or military report is true? A journalist is supposed not to rely on what just the police and military said. You do more investigation. And that is why I am not that doing well when it comes to media and all those things. But at least at this small level that I am, I have almost 10 number from every state in Nigeria. Every state. When I mean every state plus FCT in Nigeria, I have almost 10 numbers from people. I am not playing with those numbers. If I see something I make us, I investigate. And most of these people have their number are victims. They are victims. They are people that are in a place like in Benue, all those villages that people are not even going. I have numbers of people there. So when media is reporting, I put calls to know what happened there. That is the only way you can get your genuine and authentic report. So I put call across to Enugu State. The person I called, this thing does not happen in his area. He was a victim. His sister died through the bandits that came. But Pitamba told them that it was IPOB people. But the brother told me that they are bandits. They are all these Bororo Fundanese. So when I called him, I said, okay, look at what I heard that is going on in Enugu State. Can you verify for me and so on and so forth? He said, it's not in our area. But look at what they said. Look at what they said. So he told me more. about it. So that is what most people in Nigeria are lacking. They are lacking, the ability to do investigation, carry post journalism. That is what we have in Nigeria. But anyway, it is what it is. You cannot get these people terrorizing the Southeast, since you are pointing wrong finger that it is only IPOB people that are doing it. So they should come and defend this one, whether these people are IPOB members or not. That is what I have to say. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I don't know what you are doing. Subscribe to it. It doesn't cost anything. And if today is your first time of coming here, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. I am Okocha Marcel, a political blogger who always talk reality out of issues. See you on my next video. Thank you.